Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Counxel Academy, where we simplify the law for business owners and help you build your business the right way. I'm Tim Coons, and my job is simple: protect what you're building, save you money, and help you grow with confidence. Today, we're talking about one of the most expensive documents a business owner will ever sign: the commercial lease. For many businesses, this contract determines whether the company thrives or struggles under unexpected costs for years. And yet, it's one of the agreements most often signed without fully understanding what's inside. So before you put pen to paper, let's talk about what you need to know. A commercial lease is not like a residential lease. It's longer, more complex, and almost always written to protect the landlord, not you. Once you sign it, you're locked in. There's usually no easy way out. And mistakes here can follow your business for years. That's why understanding a lease before you sign is critical. Now, one of the biggest surprises for business owners is that rent is rarely the full cost. Many leases include additional expenses like common area maintenance, those are called CAMs, property taxes, insurance costs, utilities, and repair obligations. Some leases shift responsibility for major repairs like HVAC or roofing directly to the tenant. When you're budgeting for a space, you need to understand not just the monthly rent, but the true monthly cost of operating there. Another key issue is the personal guarantee. Many landlords require the business owner to personally guarantee the lease, especially for newer businesses. That means if the business can't pay, the landlord can come after you personally, not just the company. This can put your personal savings, assets, and credit at risk, even if your business is structured as an LLC or corporation. Not all guarantees are the same, and some can be negotiated. Another key is the personal guarantee. Many landlords require the business owner to personally guarantee the lease, especially for newer businesses. That means if the business can't pay, the landlord can come after you personally, not just the company. This can put your personal savings, assets, and credit at risk, even if your business is structured as an LLC or corporation. Not all guarantees are the same, and some can be negotiated, but you need to know what you're agreeing to. Before signing, you also need clarity on what you're allowed to do with the space. Can you remodel or build out the location? Who pays for improvements? What happens at the end of the lease? Do you have to restore the space to its original condition? These details really matter, especially if you're investing money into making the space work for your business. Life happens. Business grows, pivots, or sometimes needs to move. Your lease should clearly explain whether you're allowed to sublease the space or assign the lease to someone if you sell your business or relocate. Without flexibility here, you may be stuck paying rent for a space you no longer use. Understanding your exit options up front can save you significant stress and expense later. Commercial leases are long, technical, and filled with legal language that's easy to overlook. But small clauses can have big consequences. Before you sign, it's always worth having an attorney review the lease, especially if you're being asked to commit years of payments and personal liability. That review can uncover hidden costs, unfair terms, or negotiation opportunities you didn't realize were there. A commercial lease isn't just about space. It's about risk, responsibility, and long-term commitment. If you're considering signing a lease and want to make sure it protects your business, our team at Counxel can help you review, explain, and negotiate the terms before you've locked in. And if you want ongoing legal support as your business grows, including contract reviews, compliance questions, and day-to-day guidance, Counxel on Call gives you direct access to real attorneys when you need it most. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next episode, we'll cover the most common legal mistakes new business owners make and how to avoid them. That episode can save you a lot of time, money, and stress.